yakni benta jongga KHUBOR la wanra spi daga fatafat online shopping store.
KHUBLEI phi baro phi ape yaka RiKhasi channel bat menta ka janmiet ngi wara phi katun ngi KHUBOR ki badan kamha ka ba phi kumki ba phi di bantip. Kasokar jalan menta ka SNGI administratif naitung arajar arpau kala kerpa ya baro kinong song jangka jalan Meghalaya ba KUMBLEI setiap banhiar cepo kohti dan dibalik caktai kenong ba jok Asam. Kadau kolong ba hapo Guwahati dan hak Asam hi baro kawai ke jengkiu jok jempang coronavirus ke jurma hadu kata. Hak ba menta ka SNGI ka sarkar Asam kala penbena ba ka nong ba Guwahati ka di kenong ba ka Khangdam pura dan dikata ka total lockdown. Namar ba hapo Asam kibayok bang coronavirus kilong hadu 2000 aspa lai puingut. Kali kajing Khangdam hapo Guwahati kan long Naduh menta ka SNGI hadu ka khar tarik jong naitung. Hadu ka khar tarik jong naitung. Ban ka sarkar kala kerpat ya ki Paidbah no sosnong jaka Meghalaya ba KUMBLEI ban hiar chati sepo kanong ba lai satang badon kam kataru tang ya ki bapang ki basitom. Nila ban pekan mahung niru ba uwei na ki samla jong ka jala ba ngat ya kana ka jengpang covid ka khandai menta ka SNGI udi usamna na po ribhoi bar udei uba julej ban salandot na de banek man aidot cepo nang ba Guwahati ulayo ya kana ka jengpang. Te kitul part ki balik sim dawai ki de bana sim ya ki pas lamba jong ki deputy commissioner khang ba ki la ban hiar chakti ke jaka kataru tang ki ba sitom nanti part ki rai ki bala sim menta ka SNGI ke bala permena do ba preston tensong kalong ba Naduh ka tarik jong naitung an pleno ya ki hotel ki betan pok ke jelahi bar kawai bat rengkat bagan ke JINGPYNBEIT an sa air rengkat ba ki kendon ya ke ba ki hotel ki di ban bud kawai pat ka rai ba ki la sim menta ka SNGI kalong ba Khangdam ya ka by school la kalong ya ki school sarkar ni ki school simet ni kiri school ru kalong ba lamba jo katrat puli puthi kan sapen mi ya ka JINGPYNBEIT ba kirundem dei ban sim ya ki by school Naduh ka tarik jong bra yong menta ka snem kumjuru ya kito ki basa aki hotel simet dan ki private hostel mo banong kalong bai kiniru omnem dei ban sim ya ka basa ka jong ki Naduh ka tarik jong du bna yong te kiwi pat kirai ki ba nasim dak sokam taksi kalong ba ka sarkar kan sapen mi dak JINGPYNBEIT ka bakham bha dan ka jing percaya ka bakham ba Khangdam ka beri ba ki school Khangdam be ya ki dor jong ki ba school ya ka ba ki school kila khang Naduh balas nang kan di ka jingwan ka jingpang coronavirus dan di ka total lockdown hapo ka jela
en sa pleno Naduh ka shitri ubnai Julai arpo Baku yakane ngisip ya karai hadir penlayo ya report ki inputs baru na ki deputy commissioners hapo joga jela jogi but ya ki SOPs protocols na kalian keserta kala penkre dan isu menda siapro ki deputy commissioners bakin snowha banle ya kabadon kam kata kata kawai karai ka bani ship menta ka SNGI bat ka baar ko mga friend menet ka baar ka isu ka discuss pa hadin ba ki positive cases kinangkiw hapo Asam bat kumjuru na kalian coba sarkar Asam menet kilarai bandon biang ka total lockdown hapo Guwahati akan nombak kejoki Naduh haru pratrik jong uliu benai nak menta atayo dan nakalian coba sarkar jogi ngila ai ya ka direction lembau chief secretary ba un permi ya pada lembau jogi district administration ban appeal gerbang ya borok kinong jogi jela ba kins ngauham ban sangat ban lep siapo Guwahati lani siapo Asam like no itu kikam kibawla kirshu ban kataru da ki application ban ka MOC kawan saai lemba ki deputy commissioners jom kajela Meghalaya jomi kata tadi kementar ngigren menet hadir bagi yang kes bat kumlaong ia oleh health minister menet IOI berkata kes positif kes ke bagi meneru nanti dari boy district udu sama udai uba usyong jadi sebuah asam lah kumba arbenai, berkabar mereka kata, mereka usyong po asam arbenai Guwahati, mereka mungkin ubahnya kali ubahkin ia kena kadut, ban supply itu jadi sebuah asam, de hadir menyoi ia kali ke nak kadau, nak kalian menjadi surga, ka ai yang ia order, siapa Deputy Commissioners bakin sengauha ba ya kajinlet siapa coba jelang kandon biang ke restriction kenapa di Paidbah jomi kenosi nang di sana bat kabalan menen ya keren susu aga isu kebede berketu ke decision jumlahship the decision that we taken last time relating to the tuition fees, school fees, notification, draft notification has been approved by the government. I think today, if not today, tomorrow positively, notification will come out. And then I would request all of you, you can find out from Education Department the details of the notification. But notification is being prepared. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow it will come out. And second point, not only that, the notification will also come out not only for tuition fees, it will also come out for the private run hostel. Private run hostelers, we call those people who run the hostels, or maybe what do you call it? PG, in the form of PG. So that notification also is coming out from Education Department, and the order is being issued again today. And the order contains the words like this. It contains the wording like this: proprietors of private owned hostels in the state of Meghalaya are directed to cease and desist from charging rent from students during the period of the lockdown beginning from 1st April 2020 till further orders. The lockdown happens from the midst of March, but the notification take effective from 1st April 2020 till further orders. Okay? And again, those students who keep staying from 1st April, maybe because of their exams, or maybe because their parents or the family said, no, please don't come back, you stay there. For those people, they have to pay. You get away, they have to pay. Not that they should not pay. Those who are already there, who are already staying there, who does not wish to go back to their respective places, they have to pay. But those people who has to go, means when the lockdown happened, so all of them, they started leaving the hostels. They don't have to pay their fees. And the fees, the notification says that from 1st April, the proprietors should not charge any hostel fees. Relating to their street hawkers, we discussed about this issue because we are also concerned about the livelihood of our poor people who earn their livelihood from these small businesses that they have all along the roadside. For your information, I would like to tell you, we have already constituted, notification was already in place, where we constituted 2 committees. One committee is under the chairmanship of the CEO, Shillong Municipal Board, and the second committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner Shillong, or Deputy Commissioner of the respective district to find out ways and means to make sure that the regulation is in place as far as the street hawkers are concerned. So today we decided in the review meeting, again we have given the direction to these two committees. One is headed by the CEO Shillong Municipal Board, which falls under the jurisdiction of Municipal Board. And the other one is headed by the Deputy Commissioner outside the Municipal Board to again identify immediately the appropriate places for accommodating these poor people so that their livelihood can be restored. So these are the decisions to be taken in the review meeting.